I posted a video a little while back of a muffler delete on my Saab 9.3, and it does have good sound, especially when you are really on it, when you can rev it out. But what I discovered was, maybe because of the age of my car, when I was moving along in slower traffic, that there was an RPM range that was causing a kind of an audible like buzz, kind of a vibration, if you will, of the interior, and it got tiring, frankly. It sounds great if you can drive it and drive it harder and you can rev it out more, but at those lower RPMs it can drone. And so I did some research and I found a muffler that I bought from Amazon, made by a company called Totalflow. There are a lot of mufflers out there, but the challenge of finding one for your particular car is knowing what it sounds like. And this is a brand I'd never heard of before. Borla, I know, makes one for this particular car. You can buy one from Krona. You can buy one from Maptune. You can buy Magnaflow. There's lots of name brands out there as well, but this one was around $35. Anyway, so I decided on that one. I didn't want to make a big investment, and so I purchased it, and I purchased a piece of flexible exhaust piping. This is 2¼ inch size, the stock exhaust, so a piece of flexible exhaust, and also the necessary clamps to make sure it was tight. And then I also had to fabricate a hanger because I don't have access to a welder to weld on hangers so that the stock rubber muffler hangers will work. So I had to make my own. But just wanted to share this with you. This is, I think, sounds really nice. It does not drone at all in the cabin. It sounds very modest in the cabin. There's a little more volume outside, and definitely more of a deep bass tone that comes through. It also, because of the design of the muffler, has more noise when there is more basically exhaust pressure going through it. So when you're driving it gently, you really don't hear a lot of noise, but when you drive it really hard, the design of the chamber on this muffler will allow more free flow through it, and so you get more volume, which is perfect. You drive it gently, you don't bother anybody. You drive it harder, it sounds nice and aggressive, more noise with it. So just take a listen.